Alrighty, Nick, here's your 4.7 small block Ford. Gotta give you a description of the Storm Ace. Got set of RS cast head. Got the Edelbrock manifold. Holley Terminator X fuel management. Beautiful clean front end on it. All polished out. Moroso front sub ball pan. Custom grind hydraulic rollers. Got our PM covers. We're gonna make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Dope, 3,400, 485 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 514, peak horsepower 530, so everything's good. We'll do now, pull the pipes back, make sure it's good clean, show you something, take your single in, find the single inside your credit card, it's a USB card, and it's full of technical information. The crate will be in this little spec sheet. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.